Yeah.
You know, he's like, I can go up there 3-4 days a week, put in my 8 hours, and give you a little extra money, like, you know, 20 gun money or something like that. And not some more.
Alright. Oh, fuck's sakes. Gangbang's stuck again.
Gangbang hates that fucking box, dude.
Oh, no.
Stuff where a balloon popped up, smack it with a brush. Give me 600 fucking speeding.
Like you almost lost it. Can't almost came off.
Guys didn't fucking blow. Oh, God.
He's getting there.
Oh, shit.
You almost got friggin' gangbang almost hobbled you, bro. Ain't nothing like a gangman that cleans up after himself, right? Am I right?
Yeah. Oh. Oh, at least the actual Roomba knows where it is. Good God.
That thing is determined to fuck up whatever is that deck.
Oh, it's so wildly entertaining.
It really is. Dude, you fellas, this is the best idea you had. It's almost as fun as, hey, y'all want to come out and go shooting? It's almost that fun.
Yeah.
Seriously, Blues was a great for that too.
Yeah?
Blues was a great for that too.
Oh, yeah. Hey, we can use the balloons for shooting, too.
Fuck's sakes.
Oh, yeah, there I am. Fuck that fun, dude.
Yeah, yeah. I'm scared now.
What's your full back?
Oh, yours went sad again. It's just
Oh, I'll only just.
That's alright. That was going under the desk.
Dude, it's going under the desk like Mark's actually here.
Oh. Oh. Wow.
Everybody is a beast,
We got the one. Oh.
Telling you, dude, the one cable I have sticking out in front is lethal as shit. That means it'll outreach any of the others.
But here it is. It's going to go after the box again.
Yeah. No.
No, it learned its
Well,
lesson.
dude, that thing looked right at that box. Dude. I fucked it up enough. I'm going to
Oh.
Uh-oh.
No, don't do it.
That was going after the box. It would probably go underneath there if it went right in the suit.
No, it's the knife, I think. That's the big ass fucking knife. Oh. Oh, at least it figured out which way not to go. Oh no. It's gonna do it again.
It's really dirty over there. God damn, what was that about?
And then like just whips a 360 for no reason.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, come on.
Shit. You might want to get that one, the cord between the two knives.
Shit.
Gangbang said. I'm not coming. Roomba's just doing this.
This one's fucking back over here doing this bullshit. Oh, wait.
Oh, definitely hurt. There, let me get your ankles.
Yeah, Hunter's is the fucking ankle killer. Oh, damn.
Jousting,
Fuck me.
No, you can't have that cord. Turn around.
Oh, I'm down to 2 knives. And it's gonna eat a balloon. Can I just leave these here?
I won't say that nobody will play with them when you're gone. I just said we need to go get a bunch of balloons and a bunch of tape because it's fun. Oh.
Again with Hunter having the balloon too high. That blade of mine went right underneath it. This week he ain't gonna do nothing.
They're all gonna gang up on the box though.
I've only got like 2 pointy objects now. Oh.
The desk is gonna be beat all that hell up.
This one's coming straight for me. Oh, are we gonna...
What we should do is fully charge them overnight and then release them in the showroom to both. Ah!
It's actively...
Bag of blade.
Yeah, you could just turn them loose in the showroom and let them clean.
Well, yeah, we should put signs and balloons on them just in case.
The only one that's smart enough not to get stuck under the desk is Gangbang.
So you say.
Mostly because I can't get under the desk.
Yeah, he's a little bit taller than the other two. But I haven't.
Fuck's sakes. Oh. that one's gonna kill itself.
I don't know, but fuck that bug. No, back water. Like, it scares the shit out of that bug. Like, you couldn't be funnier.
I'll be right out with you. Oh, God.
Oh. Why would you quit getting stuck in the damn box? Wait, should you just tell the customer that we're...
Yeah. And I would tell most of my customers because they would find this hilarious.
We should, you know where that area is in this...
Yeah, in the center, we should let
Yeah, because you'd only have to block one little spot. Just let them loose.
Well, we can take the table and chairs out of there too and just make it empty.
We could do that next weekend.
So the customers can just sit
Oh yeah.
silver bullet creeper and Roomba wars.
And it's trying to kill the charging station again.
Maybe these other guys won't bother me if I cut their charger.
Yeah. Back up, bud.
And it's mad
He
again.
made him sad.
Yeah, you just want to function up.
What is this one doing?
And it went right back with the same fucking charger.
I know you. You're having to kill me.
Oh,
my
God.
God.
Oh, who just lost a knife? Is that one not
Look
good?
at this shiny knife over there, man.
No, it's this one.
Oh.
Hunter hasn't lost a single knife.
Yours is determined to go up under that desk.
Oh, it's turned to cut that fucking powder.
And this one.
Oh.
This right there is bullshit. It's too high for anything to get.
Oh. It would.
Mark power cord. You can just unplug that power cord somewhere else. There you go.
Like, not a single other balloon has been cut yet.
Scared me.
Are they finally gonna battle it out? I think my knife's too far downwards. Oh, do I got?
The only one that's going to be able to stab any of my balloons is probably.
we'll just hope that stays.
Maybe it'll fall off or something.
Oh, I get it's looking at that fucking plastic.
Oh, when you turn, look at danger for a minute. Just trying to rip the knife off.
Dude, it like looks right at it and then fucking charges.
It's about to rip it off itself.
Oh, good God. It's like slowly twisting the knife off.
Oh God, here it comes.
Boop.
Oh shit!
It's inside the fucking room. Oh no.
What the fuck?
What the fuck is this?
Oh God, every time I see it, they use Roomba type thing to go down and buy it.
Yeah, Eric.
It's the real inside. It's quite a lot. Well, I mean, I guess it fits considering whose two Roombas there.
Oh.
Oh God. Damn. That one just got a fucking hard on forever. Okay, well, it takes us that so long. Have to go with the box.
All right, I think that